can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're having another dumpy day in the cryptocurrency market. Huge liquidations. The last 24 hours have seen more than 126,000 traders getting liquidated. The big one is that Ethereum is accounting for almost half of those liquidations. The largest liquidation happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $29 million. And that's pushed Ethereum price below $4,000 for the first time since early July. We've seen Ethereum get to as low as $3,967. In this video, we look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Should we be fearful? Should we start selling our stash? Or should we be expecting that epic altcoin season? Right now, sentiment is still down in the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. Remember, you have to buy fear, you have to sell greed. Which altcoin should we be focusing on? We'll take a look at the altcoin season index. Right now, we're not in altcoin season, but hopefully we'll get to altcoin season very soon. And the meme coin market has been seeing a huge dump over the last few days. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen huge pumps from very strange altcoins. We have seen MyX Finance go up more than 700%. The last 1 week has seen Asta, the BNB coin, pumping aggressively to the moon. But the $1 million question is, why is the rest of the altcoin market dumping? The rest of the altcoin market is feeling the brunt of just few coins pumping. We have seen BNB get above $1,000. We have seen Asta go above $2. But why is Ethereum dumping, and why is the altcoin market dumping? We saw Ethereum getting to as high as $4,950. It was the 18th of August 2025. But right now, Ethereum has gotten to as low as $4,000, dumping by 18% from the all-time highs. In perspective, 18% dump is nothing to write home about in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen crazier dumps for Ethereum itself in this cycle. We saw Ethereum dumping from the 9th of December, and that dump went down 66% before we started pumping to the moon. You never want to say never. We've had a huge rally for Ethereum over the last few months, and the pullback is welcome. We've seen Ethereum go from as low as $1,300 to as high as over $4,900. A 255% pump to the moon. I'll not be shocked if a 18 to a 20% drawback is what will scare a lot of market participants. Because right now, guys, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, with sentiments going down over the last few days, with the huge liquidations in the cryptocurrency market over the last few days. Market sentiment has gone from neutral to fear. Market participants are scared now. Right now, the question is the cycle over? A lot of market participants are asking that question, whether the cycle is over. Is it time for us to start dumping to Goblin Town? Guys, I believe Altseason is still around the corner. I believe the market cycle doesn't end when there's fear in the market. It ends when there was greed. The best time to sell was on the 14th of August. That was when Bitcoin went to new all-time highs. That's when Ethereum was trading above $4,500. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. I'm sure some smart players are accumulating, while retail participants are getting scared, selling for huge losses. And those huge losses are coming from market participants that are betting on the price to either go up or to go down. I always say, guys, avoid leverage. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money before the main event starts. The last 24 hours, I've seen almost $400 million worth of liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. One trader lost $29.12 million. Based on the price of Ethereum, you bet the price of Ethereum will pump to the moon. And we saw the price of Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town, thereby liquidating him. Be careful out there, guys. Remember, if you buy when the prices are high, you'll be forced to sell when the prices are low. But if you're one of the smart market participants that can buy when the prices are low, when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, you have the chance to sell when we go to higher prices, when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has gone down to as low as $111,652. Bitcoin from its all-time highs has not really dumped like that. Bitcoin is just down less than 10% from its all-time highs, but crazy sentiment shift in the cryptocurrency market from all-time highs just about 3 weeks ago right now to Bitcoin just down 8%, with market participants still in fear. I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to see Bitcoin tried to rally towards $120,000. Bitcoin has come a little long way. Bitcoin has come a long way from as low as $15,500 in November of 2022. I've seen Bitcoin rally up by more than 600% in that time frame. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if the exit pump is still on card. I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin can still get to $120,000. But Bitcoin dominance tells us the main event is going to be in the altcoin market. Bitcoin dominance has gone from as high as 66% since June of 2025. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance get to as low as 57%. I'm still expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. That's the main narrative I'm following. Expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump over the next few days and the next few weeks. And as Bitcoin dominance is dumping, I expect to see an improvement in the altcoin market right now. A lot of altcoins are down bad, double-digit losses across the board. A lot of altcoins are down 10%, 20%, even 30% over the last 1 week. But the cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile, and volatility is your friend here. It's a future, it's not a bug. So over the next few days, I'll expect the market to be volatile, but this time around, I will expect the bears to get liquidated. The bulls have been getting liquidated over the last 3 days. At some point in time, the nearest future, we're going to see the bears getting liquidated. We're going to see the altcoin market pumping, and we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. I will not be shocked if the altcoin market start pumping, if we see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, attempt to get to new all-time highs. We saw it get to an all-time high of $1.74 trillion. Right now, it's back to $1.55 trillion. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, just about a 13% pump can get us back to new all-time highs. And knowing how volatile the altcoin market can be, guys, a 13% pump is always around the corner. And if you look at total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, similar price action, we're sitting above the $1 trillion level. We've gotten to as high as $1.17 trillion. In the coming days and the coming weeks, as Bitcoin dominance starts showing signs of weakness and Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, as greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, I will expect to see total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, also setting new all-time highs. And if you look at total crypto market cap, we sit at a $3.78 trillion level. I'm expecting to set new all-time highs. So the setup I'm expecting, guys, over the next few days and the next few weeks will be total crypto market cap setting new all-time highs, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin setting new all-time highs, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum setting new all-time highs. And all these, Bitcoin fails to set new all-time highs and Ethereum setting new all-time highs, with Bitcoin dominance dumping. If we see this combination of all these charts happening at once, guys, that will be a telltale sign that we have gotten to the end of the cycle. But right now, with liquidation rising, right now with fear in the cryptocurrency market, I believe there's still room to run. But we're very, very close to the end. We're closer to the end of the cycle, down to the beginning of the cycle. And the further we go into Q4, the more you see market participants saying Q4 is always bullish. Remember, guys, if you buy low, you sell high. If you buy when the smart players are buying deep in the bear market, you can sell when they are selling in the bull market. And right now, it's safe to say we're in the crypto bull market. Even though we are seeing slow exit from the smart players, I will not be shocked if in the next few weeks you see them ramping up their exit. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum is taking over the market. Even in liquidations, more people are getting liquidations, trading. More people are getting liquidated, trading Ethereum than trading even Bitcoin and Solana. Ethereum price euphoria fades, but $5K per Ethereum remains the end of year target. Institutional demand for Ethereum contrasts with weak retail inflow, while Ethereum must reclaim $4,580 to trigger a breakout, according to analysts. Right now, Ethereum is closer to $4,000 than it is to $5,000. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, I'll still be expecting Ethereum to continue its rally that started in April of 2025. Ethereum supply on exchanges hits 9-year low amidst Wall Street glow up. Ethereum exchanges balance dropped to a 9-year low of 14.8 million Ethereums as digital asset treasury firms and exchange traded funds accelerate buying. And if you look at the altcoin season index, the altcoin season index has been showing us when altcoins are performing Bitcoin. The altcoin season index accurately tells us when we're in altcoin season, and it says if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's alt season. And we saw a little alt season in 2025. Alt season lasted like 10 days or 12 days. Right now, we're not in alt season. But guys, I'll expect us to head back to alt season before the end of the year. I expect us to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just up 4.7% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are up bigly. If you take a look at the meme coin market, we have seen huge dumps over the last 7 days in the meme coin market, double-digit losses across the board. In the meme coin market, Dogecoin is down 16%, Shiba Inu, Pepe, meme coin, Poco Penguin. There have been carnage in the altcoin market. A lot of market participants went all in too quickly, and right now the market is flushing them off. There's always that dump before the pump, and I believe we're in that big dump before the pump to the moon. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still number one. Bitcoin is down 7% over the last. Bitcoin is down 4% over the last 7 days. Ethereum has lost 12% of its value over the last 7 days. XRP is down 7%. Solana 16%. Dogecoin 16%. Tron 2%. And Cardano 2%. It's safe to say the last 1 week has been brutal for all coins in the cryptocurrency market, with huge losses across the board. But remember, guys, the market doesn't go up in a straight line. The market also doesn't dump in a straight line. We're not dumping to zero. We're not pumping to the moon. In the middle of that is what the market will do. And right now, with the total crypto market cap sitting at $3.78 trillion, if you look at XRP, if you look at other altcoins, one pump can take them to all-time highs. One pump is all they need for them to see market participants rushing back, singing Kumbaya. I strongly believe the crowd is always wrong at the extreme, where market participants are scared, believing it's all over. That's when you should go all in. And when they believe this time is different and we're going to the moon, we're never going to dump, that's when you should be selling for some sweet profit. I believe the month of October is going to be very bullish. At the same time, we'll probably top in the month of October. We're going to see Solana ETF getting launched. We're going to see XRP ETF also getting launched in the month of October. And I'll not be surprised to see us rallying into those ETF launches. This time it's no different. You have to buy low, you have to sell high, you have to buy when there's fear in the market, so that when greed returns to the market, you can sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, it's down to $0.035. 0.035 ratio level against Bitcoin. In the coming days and coming weeks, I will expect the altcoin market to pump. I will expect Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin. I will expect Ethereum to set new all-time highs. But guys, will you be selling for some sweet profit, or will you still be buying more when we're pumping? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe the bull run is over? Are you selling your altcoins for some sweet profit right now, or you're accumulating, getting ready for that wonderful altcoin season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.